Welcome to another exciting episode of Megan's Makeup Diaries Pod Talk, your ultimate destination for all things beauty and self-care. I'm your host, Megan, and today we have a special guest joining us. She is a renowned makeup artist and beauty expert, Rihanna. Welcome, Rihanna.
Thank you, Megan. I'm thrilled to be here and share some rejuvenating tips with your audience.
We're delighted to have you, Rihanna. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of top 20 rejuvenators. Rihanna, tell us, what are these rejuvenators all about?
Absolutely, Megan. Let's begin with a secret to achieving a natural blush on your cheeks. Instead of opting for terracotta or apricot shades, try using a blusher with a delicate pink or rosewood pigment. This choice creates a more natural and translucent appearance, mimicking the fresh shade you get when you gently pinch your cheeks.
That's a fantastic tip, Rihanna. The natural flush is always in style. What's the next rejuvenator on our list?
Next up, Megan, let's talk about unlocking new radiance. When you're feeling tired, your face can reflect it. But fear not. A simple trick is to use a matte lipstick in a blue-toned red color. This shade works wonders for every woman, regardless of their hair color. Not only does it add vibrancy to your face, but it also creates the illusion of whiter teeth.
That's a brilliant dual-purpose tip, Rihanna. A pop of color can truly transform our overall look. What's the third rejuvenator our listeners should know about?
Moving on, Megan, let's discuss the power of a fringe. If you have worry lines on your forehead or crow's feet around your eyes, instead of resorting to fillers or Botox, consider a well-cut fringe. A fringe falling to one side, at the right length, can elegantly conceal these lines and give you a fresh and youthful appearance. It's a stylish alternative without any invasive procedures.
I love how a simple change in hairstyle can make such a difference. What's our next rejuvenator?
Our fourth rejuvenator revolves around perfectly arched eyebrows. Rather than shaping your brows too straight, opt for a slight curve. Extend the arch upward for 2/3 of the length and gently slope it down. This technique helps open up your eyes and diminish the appearance of droopy eyelids. It's a small adjustment that can completely transform your face and give you a more rejuvenated look.
Eyebrows truly frame the face, and your tip will surely help our listeners enhance their natural beauty. What's the fifth rejuvenator on our list?
Moving right along, Megan, let's talk about the magic of facial massage. Regular facial massages can stimulate blood circulation, relax facial muscles, and promote a youthful glow. You can use your fingertips or a facial roller to gently massage your face using upward motions. It's a rejuvenating ritual that not only revitalizes your skin but also provides a moment of self-care and relaxation.
That sounds amazing, Rihanna. A facial massage is a perfect way to pamper ourselves and promote healthy skin. We've covered 5 rejuvenators so far, and there are still plenty more to explore. Join us in the next episode as we continue our journey through the top 20 rejuvenators.